Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night, unable to drift off into a peaceful slumber? Picture this. You're nestled in your bed, the room is dimly lit, and you're ready to embark on a tranquil journey to dreamland. Today, you're going to discover some simple yet effective methods to help you fall asleep faster. And no, sheep counting isn't one of them. First off, establish a regular sleep schedule. Your body loves routine. By going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, you're training your internal clock to expect sleep at a certain time. Yes, even on weekends. Next, consider your diet. Avoid caffeine and nicotine, especially close to bedtime. These stimulants can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. And while alcohol might make you feel sleepy at first, it can disrupt your sleep later in the night. A peaceful sleep environment is crucial. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Think of your bedroom as a cave. It's your personal sanctuary designed for sleep. Exercise daily. Physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a deeper sleep. Just don't exercise too close to bedtime, or you might get too energized to fall asleep. And lastly, manage your worries. Easier said than done, right? But stress and anxiety can cause insomnia. Consider healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, or talking to a friend. Now let us recap the main points to help you fall asleep faster. 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. 2. Watch what you eat and drink. 3. Create a restful environment. 4. Get regular exercise. And 5. Manage your stress. So, tonight, as you prepare for your journey to dreamland, remember these tips. Embrace the tranquility of your bedroom. Let go of the stresses of the day and allow yourself to drift off into a peaceful slumber. Good night, and here's to a restful night's sleep.